most people think of AI as robots taking over the world and taking the jobs of everyday people. But with this product from Michael Cheney, I'm going to show you how AI can help you start a business, or indeed you can profit from the training you will get in this video, and you can enhance your creative skills using the power of AI. Before I take you through the sales page and the membership area, I'm just going to give you an idea of what you will get through Michael Cheney's latest launch, AI Partner and Profit.
Like clockwork. I've been doing this for over 20 years now, and so can all of my partners, clients and customers. And now I've discovered a way to partner with AI to practically do all of the work for me. And to be honest, I'm pretty proud of this fact. And if you were in my shoes, I bet you would be too. You see, as I speak to you here today, I can, with my hand on my heart, say I have created a 7-figure business that runs almost entirely on autopilot, bringing me thousands of dollars a day and life-changing money for me and my partners. And the best part? I found a way to partner with AI and get AI to practically do all of the work for me. And I'm assuming if you're here watching this video right now that you can't do any of that. Well, at least not yet. Because I don't say any of this to rub it in your face, I'm saying it so you realise why you should be paying attention. And more importantly, so I can show you how I can help you do this too. Because you don't care about what I can do for myself. That's not what's important here. What's more important than that is what I can do for you. That's all that really matters. And what I can do for you is let you get in on the action. Sit on the other side of the table and partner with me on my 7-figure business, where you become my partner and pick up 100% of the profits on my 7-figure affiliate system, where commissions run as high as $417.95 per sale, and you get 100% of that money directly into your bank account. And what's more, I'll show you how to get your own AI partner that gives you a steady stream of sales, customers and commissions, and turns our partnership into one of the most profitable of your life. If that sounds interesting to you, then you're in the right place. Now I'm going to assume something about you here, because if you're anything like me, when you started learning about how to make money online, you probably always dreamed of having a lifestyle business, something that would pay you $200, $500 or even $1,000 or more a day to fund your lifestyle. My guess is you've even tried this in the past and it didn't work out that way. All the gurus have been telling you that making money online would be just so easy, but the reality is very different. Because the truth is, the gurus leave a lot out. They leave a lot of the pieces out of the puzzle that you really need in order to really make money online. Now, most online business owners that I talk to are struggling to make sales, unable to really pay themselves. And let's be honest, they don't really want to run a business. They just want all of the money and the lifestyle associated with having a successful and profitable business. Smart online business owners, however, who work less and earn more, are doing something very different. You see, smart online business owners are promoting other people's products, using AI to do all the work and picking up 100% of the commissions in the process. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do here today. Introducing AI Partner and Profit, a done-for-you money-making system that all you have to do is activate your AI partner and then pick up 100% of the profits, and up to $417.95 per sale. And what's more is, we'll show you how anyone can do this without setting up a website, without any expensive and unpredictable paid traffic, and without paying for any software or any of the things that most people tell you you need to do in order to make money online. Because with the AI Partner and Profit system, we do all of the work for you. AI gets you the traffic. We've built the websites, we've made the training, and we handle customer support. We deal with the payment processing. We deal with all of the headaches of running a business so that you don't have to. We've figured out all of the hard stuff, so all that you have to do is say yes to partnering with me and picking up your share of the profits. Because I know the pain you're having as you try to make money online as a business owner. I went through it too, to build my 7-figure business so that you don't have to. And you're not the first people that I've helped make money online either. In fact, just yesterday, a client hit me up and said this: I made $13,905 in 6 days. And then the other day, I got another email from another client that hit me up, and he said, I tripled my income literally overnight and made $2,000 in just 4 days. The day before that, I had a client that came out of nowhere, absolutely nowhere, and he said, I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars every month now thanks to your AI partner method. So you know this works. All you need is something that's proven to work so you can focus on only what matters: sales, customers, and commissions. And so that's exactly what we've created for you here today. All you have to do is just reach out and grab it. Now, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost you, and that's the best part. Right now, we're practically giving AI Partner and Profit away, and the reason is we want to help as many people as possible. We know you're going to love partnering on the business we share, so by making the price super low, it keeps this purchase as an absolute no-brainer. So what should you do next? Order your copy of AI Partner and Profit now. Seriously, what's the reason for you not doing it? We're practically giving it away, and we both know if you hold off and don't grab your copy now, you might never see this page again, and you'll lose out on this opportunity. It's time to make a decision. If you've gotten this far, then now is your time to act. Be decisive and take control of your business. If you sit on the fence, you'll be left behind. It's just that simple. So now is the time to act. Now is the time to take this opportunity by the hand and run with it. It's the smart people who invest today and implement the AI Partner and Profit system who will reap the rewards. You'll be the ones who work less and earn more from a business built and run 100% for you. So if you've gotten this far, claim your copy of AI Partner and Profit now before it's too late.
So if you already want to pick up a copy of this, you can get a copy of it in the link below this video. And as you can see, if you order a copy today, it's only $19.95. And I have to say, for less than $20, it's one of the best investments you're going to make this year in finding out how to use AI in your business. So you can go through the sales page at your leisure and just have a look exactly what you're going to get. But just before I show you the bonuses that I have for you, if you get this through my link below, I'm just going to take you step by step through the membership area. So as you can see, this is the membership area of AI Partner and Profit, and it is a very comprehensive training membership site. So you get a welcome video, it shows you how to get started. You can get approval to promote this product, and it shows you exactly how you go about that. You can discover secrets to list building. You can use AI to create a lead magnet, which is one of the most important things that you need, because you have to have a lead magnet of great value in order to do a number of things in online marketing, from building lists to getting your customers to know, like, and trust you. So you can see, you can go through that. You get AI powered promos. You get AI powered Facebook traffic. So this is absolutely amazing training that I have actually gone through myself step by step. Otherwise I wouldn't be promoting this product. Also, you get AI powered YouTube traffic training. You get AI powered blog traffic training. you can look at the prompts that Michael actually uses in his business, because one of the most important things that you have to consider is how you train the AI, mainly ChatGPT in this instance, to actually create what it is you want to create for your business. You've also got a comprehensive amount of bonuses within there, which are really great. I've gone through all of them. And then there is also a further, what they call like an extra part of the front end, which is even more training. And then you get a premium profits pack. These are the OTOs, but they will be explained in the sales video. So you get premium AI profit pack, 10x AI profit partners, and you get, which is an amazing opportunity, you get the opportunity to be a lifetime reseller of AI partner and profit. And I have to say, this is a really great opportunity for not a very extensive outlay. And of course, this product will become evergreen, and it will be something that you'll be able to sell to your list on and on. There's numerous ways that you can actually profit from this product. So as I say, this is the membership area. Now I'm going to go through the actual bonuses that I have offered on offer for you if you get this through my link below this video. So as you can see, I have a comprehensive number of bonuses. Now the first bonus that I have here is basically something that is not something that's sort of been newly created. It is something that's been around for a while from Brendan Mace, but it's actually great. This lost code, it teaches you how to sell high ticket products, because the only way that you're really going to make it in affiliate marketing is or online marketing is if you have a high ticket product that you can sell. So this is the lost code. Now this is an optional bonus, because you will have to add in your email to get hold of this, because it is such a great bonus that's been around for some time, but it's still as good as it was when it was first created. The next thing is a plugin which is about scarcity, which you can put on your website, showing a number of people who are currently viewing your offers, which adds to the need for people to buy. Then the next one is Vidies, which is a video hosting platform by Brett Ritecki that I actually use in my own business, and which is great because it gives you that freedom to create videos and add a GIF and other interactive aspects onto your video. Now you've got, the next thing is 3 Steps Success Club, which is again from Brett Ritecki, and this is another great training. So it teaches people how to build an online business with nothing left out, normally selling for $497. Then you've got Affiliate Launch Profits, which is where you learn how to develop an effective product launch strategy. So once you get your AI to do what it is you want it to do to create your offer, create your lead magnet, or create your product, which is what most affiliate marketers go on to do, they then become not only affiliates, but then they become vendors once they've learned how to do affiliate marketing and the gap within the market. Then you've got Animal Kingdom, which is 18 products which you can use to build your business from the ground up. Everything you will need to run a successful online business is hidden within this amazing bonus. And I can vouch for this because I have got this myself. I've invested in it some time ago, but it's still amazing. And then you've got Facebook traffic strategies. So these bonuses are really good. There's a mixture of bonuses that go with this AI partner and profit from Michael Cheney. The next one is Let's Mail. Now, every business needs an autoresponder, and this Let's Mail is your ability to have your an autoresponder that is linked to your website, and you don't have to pay for expensive autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse, and you also get agency access upgrade to this product. The next one is get your URL emailed out every day. So basically, your link goes on a rotator, and then it rotates around an event, and you will get people to come onto your list using this method. It's a method that I've used to build my list, and I still do it all the time. So you can use your AI created lead magnet and put the link on to this rotator. Also, we've got Cougar Commissions, which is 17 videos of intense training which will teach you how to do affiliate marketing the correct way, because there is a correct way. For example, choosing offers to promote, getting approval for offers, doing review videos, recording your screen, getting ready to record, and recording your video, and so much more. And then I've put in this lightning list, which is one of the products that I did with a JV partner, Dawud Islam. And what it does, it teaches you how to use mailers to build your email list. And then there's another one of my products, which is an ebook to benefit from ChatGPT. I've done this Moneymakers 20 Proven Ways to Profit from ChatGPT. And then also this video training, So the next bonus I have for you is Puma Products, which is a complete video training on how to set up and launch your very first digital project. And I have actually used this to set up my last digital product. And also it gives you a step-by-step training on the use of putting that product onto platforms like Warrior Plus. The next one is basically tried and tested strategies and sources to create engaging content to attract more traffic to your website, because one of the things that you need as an online marketer is traffic sources. So those are the bonuses. So if you want to pick up the product and all these bonuses from my link, you'll find the link below this video. And also remember that these bonuses will not be available after the launch of the product AI Partner and Profit, which is a 5-day launch starting tomorrow, I think 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't forget to pick up the product and have amazing success with it, because I know you will. So until the next video, thank you for listening, and see you in the next one.